Hello there. So how to edit a video in Higgsfield AI. Now make sure you sign into your account and make sure that this is the website you're seeing. Now hover your mouse on the create button on the upper left section, click on video. Once you click on this one, this is how you can see inside. Now this is the video I'm trying to edit. As you can see, it's going to be a zoomed out edit video. And to do this one, I just need to upload the original photo that I used earlier, which is already right there. And then for the movement, I'm going to click change right here. Now choose the one that I want to change it with. For example, this one, the exploding building. And then here I'm going to edit the prompt, for example, a red robot in front, for example, right here, of a exploding building. Easy as that. I can also click on this one to increase the duration, which will determine how much credit will be used. And basically once I'm satisfied, click on generate, and that should do it.